Hello and welcome everyone to a new video in your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to update the software of Oppo phone or the system of your Oppo phone. So first of all, you need to go to settings, and after settings you go down until you find this option, the option called about device. You click on it, and after that you just click on the blue icon color OS, and after that your phone will start checking for updates. And as you can see, for example, my phone found this update, the new update. And if you find a new update, you can click on download and install. And of course, if there is no new update for your software, you will see in the screen, you will see your software is up to date or something like that. But if there is a new update and a new software available, your phone will give you the option to download and install this update. And of course, after that, you just need click on download and install. Of course, also you need to be sure that you have enough charge in your phone to make this update, and also to have enough data on your phone to download the new update. That's it for today. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also to like this video, and see you in the next one.